Hi. We can learn today atomic structure of the matter. Matter consists of molecules, consists of atoms. The chemist uses symptoms to express element easily. Symbol of any element is represented by its atom. The atom means the scientific term of the atom. It is a fundamental building unit of matter. This is a fundamental building unit of matter, or it is the smallest individual unit of matter. And this atom can share in the chemical reaction. What is the scientific term? I'll define the atom. It is the fundamental building unit of matter. It's the smallest individual unit of matter which can share in the chemical reaction. The symbols of the some element. Hydrogen H, potassium K, oxygen O, bromine Br, aluminium Al, lead Bb, chlorine Cl, carbon C, copper Cu, sodium Na, gold Au, sulfur S, helium He, calcium Ca, fluorine F, silver Ag, silicon Si, boron P, argon Ar, nitrogen N, zinc Zn, magnesium Mg, mercury Hg, beryllium Be, lithium Li, iron Fe, neon Ne, iodine I, phosphorus P, and chromium Cr. Type. The symbol of the element represented by one letter and two letters. The one letter, it is written by capital, like carbon symbol. But when the two letters, the first letter is written in capital and the second letter is small, like sodium Na. We can observe element in English and element in Latin. Element in English is sodium, in Latin natrium, and the symbol Na. في بعض الرموز اتكملت باللاتيني وفي بعض الرموز in English لأن اللغة اللاتينية هي أقدم من الإنجليزية فخلوا الصوديوم Na على أساس إن هو كان اسمه اللاتيني ناتريوم فخدوا أول حرفين منه. إذا أنا لازم أحفظ الرموز دي. يبقى الصوديوم ناتريوم اللاتين والسيمبل بتاعه Na. بوتاسيوم K. الله، مش البوتاسيوم المفروض يبقى بي؟ لا، خدوا اول حرفين لاتيني، اول حرف لاتيني فبقى بوتاسيوم كي. ايرون اسمه فيريوم Fe. كبر سي عشان اسمه كابريوم اللاتين Cu بقى Cu. سيلفر ارجينيتيوم symbol Ag. Are you understand? Atomic construction بقى. The atomic consists of two main the atom consists of nucleus and the electrons. The nucleus, it is the center core. The nucleus is the center core of the atom. The location of the nucleus in the atom, the center core of the atom. But the electron, they orbit, revolve around the nucleus. Revolve around the nucleus. at a high speed. Charge the nucleus. It is a positively charged. يجي لي هنا سؤال مهم قوي. give reason. The nucleus it's a positively charged only because it contains proton with positively charged particle and the neutron. This is the neutral particle. Neutral particle it have positive and negative charge. This means uncharged. This means in the science or in the chemical, uncharged have positive and negative charge. This means uncharged. This is called neutrons. Electrically neutral particle. So the nucleus has a positively charged because it contains protons, positively charged particle, and the neutrons, electrically neutral particle, uncharged. But the charge of the electron, they are negatively charged particle, and their number is equal to the number of positively charged. Negative electron equals the positive charge in the proton inside the nucleus. The last one, the mass of nucleus, the mass of the atom concentrated in the nucleus. The nucleus in the center core have the mass of the atom, but the mass of electron negligible. Negligible means very small mass, and relatively so is that of the proton or neutron. Give reason the mass of the atom concentrated in the nucleus because the electron has a negligible mass relative to the proton or neutron. Give reason the atom is electrically neutral. إن الأتوم بتاعتي دايما electrically neutral. Give reason in ordinary state because the number of electron equals the number of proton inside the nucleus. A positive equal a negative. So the atom electrically neutral. To express an atom of any element, we use two statements which are like aluminium. Aluminium, the symbol of aluminium Al. It has the number in the up with number in the down. The number up called mass number. Mass number, it is the sum of the proton and the neutron. But the atomic number, it is the number of protons in the nucleus. So, the atomic number, this is the number we can use in electric configuration. Electric configuration هناخدها بعد كده اما اجي مثلا 13 دي اعمل لها electric configuration. The first level saturated by 2, the second saturated by 8 equal 10 كده فاضل كام؟ فاضل 3 هتبقى electric configuration of the aluminium 283. يبقى the atomic number, this is a number inside it's a chemical reaction and make electric configuration. You understand? What is meant by the atomic number of this calcium atomic is 20. What is meant by بحط على طول الديفينيشن. بيقول لي ان atomic number احط له الديفينيشن بتاع atomic number وبعد كده الرقم بتاع الكالسيوم. What is meant by the atomic number of the calcium atom equal 20? This means that the number of protons in the nucleus of the calcium atom equal 20. طب what is the mass number of the calcium atom equal 40? This means that the sum of the numerals of proton and neutrons. Mass number, this is a summation between the summation of the proton and neutron. The proton is positively charged and the neutron is uncharged or neutral. Calcium equal 40. طيب we conclude that atomic number equal number of proton equal number of electron. Mass number equal number of proton plus number of neutron. Therefore, number of neutrons equal mass number minus atomic number. Okay? يجي لي هنا سؤال give reason the mass number is always larger than the atomic number. هقول له because the mass number equals summation number of proton and but the atomic number equal number of proton only.